It's America's 250th birthday, and I'm gonna celebrate it with this! What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda out here, getting ready to celebrate the 250th birthday of America. That's also the age of women I'd like to date. You know, because I got a little knowledge behind those eyes. Anyway, I picked this up because it was the cheapest flag I could find. Some of them are kind of charging some premium prices, but you might think it's an American flag. It's got a star on this side. Kind of looks like it, but what you might notice is these stars aren't in a line. They're in a circle. This is what's known as the Betsy Ross flag. And I just thought that'd be kind of cool, like an older style flag. Now, this one is actually very clean, new, nylon, very cheap, $9. And that was really the goal here, is something that would fit my budget. But there are some other versions of this, like tea-stained ones that look like they're antiques. This one is not that one. This one is the new, shiny, like me in my head. So let's unwrap it and put it up and see how it looks. All right, so here is the flag itself. Standard size, 3 foot by 5 foot. Oh, we had a little wind there. I was hoping that it would wave. And I've got some wrinkles in it, or fold marks. I could probably put it in the dryer with an ice cube and let it get those wrinkles out, but I'm not gonna do that. Now, one thing you might not know, you know, you might think of Betsy Ross as a seamstress, a little meek woman, diligently sewing away on this flag in the middle of the night by a fire, but that's not true. In fact, her friends called her Big Betsy because she had a big booming voice and was a Harley Davidson enthusiast. At that day and age, women weren't really seen as motorcycle riders, so she was very trailblazing in that regard, and also she liked skulls. So that's just a little bit of trivia about her that you probably didn't know. Now I've got my flag post up here, so we'll go ahead and put that in and see if everyone loves my Betsy Ross flag. So there she is, getting a little air under there. Looks better when she's waving. But hey, if you are looking to spend $9 on a flag and celebrate the 250th birthday of America, go ahead and pick up this flag. I'll put a link to it in the description. Act fast. 4th of July is coming. Peter Von Panda, out.